Australia's beauty is vast and varied, offering a rich tapestry of landscapes, wildlife, and cultural experiences. This continent country is known for its striking natural wonders, vibrant cities, and a unique mix of flora and fauna that captivate the imagination. Point 1. Diverse landscapes. Australia's landscapes range from the arid outback to lush rainforests, and from pristine beaches to towering mountain ranges. Outback and deserts. The Australian outback is a symbol of the country's rugged beauty, with its red sands, sparse vegetation, and remote horizons. Iconic landmarks like Uluru, Ayers Rock, stand as cultural and geological wonders, drawing visitors from around the world. The Simpson Desert and Great Victoria Desert are other highlights, showcasing the harsh yet captivating desert environment. Coastal beauty. Australia boasts some of the most beautiful coastlines in the world. The Great Barrier Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the world's largest coral reef system, teeming with marine life and vibrant coral formations. Bondi Beach in Sydney and the 12 Apostles along the Great Ocean Road are famous for their breathtaking views and attract both locals and tourists. Rainforests and national parks. The Daintree Rainforest in Queensland is one of the oldest rainforests in the world, offering a lush, green contrast to the dry interior. National parks like Kakadu, with its wetlands and waterfalls, and Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair in Tasmania, known for its scenic beauty and hiking trails, showcase Australia's diverse ecosystems. Point 2. Unique wildlife. Australia's isolation has led to the evolution of some of the world's most unique wildlife. Marsupials. Australia is home to a variety of marsupials, including kangaroos, koalas, and wombats. These animals are not only unique to the continent but also have become symbols of Australian identity. Birdlife. The country is a haven for birdwatchers, with species like the kookaburra, emu, and lyrebird. The vibrant rainbow lorikeet and the majestic wedge-tailed eagle are also part of Australia's rich avian diversity. Marine life. The Great Barrier Reef and the surrounding oceans are home to an incredible array of marine life, including whales, dolphins, and the elusive dugong. Australia's coastlines are also famous for penguins, especially on Phillip Island, where nightly penguin parades draw crowds. Point 3. Cultural richness. Australia's beauty is not only in its natural environment but also in its cultural diversity and history. Indigenous heritage. Australia's Aboriginal culture is one of the oldest continuous cultures in the world. Indigenous art, storytelling, and connection to the land are integral to understanding the country's heritage. Sacred sites like Uluru and the Kata Juta rock formations hold significant spiritual importance. Modern cities. Australia's cities, like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane, offer a blend of modernity and tradition. Sydney's Opera House and Harbour Bridge are architectural marvels set against a stunning natural harbour. Melbourne is known for its art, coffee culture, and vibrant street art scene, while Brisbane offers a laid-back lifestyle with riverfront parks and cultural institutions. Point 4. The great outdoors. Australians have a deep love for the outdoors, and the country offers countless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Hiking and trekking. From the Overland Track in Tasmania to the Larapinta Trail in the Northern Territory, Australia is a paradise for hikers. These trails take you through diverse landscapes, offering a chance to experience the country's natural beauty up close. Surfing and water sports. Australia's coastline is a mecca for surfers, with world-renowned spots like Bells Beach in Victoria and Snapper Rocks in Queensland. The country's warm waters and reliable waves make it an ideal destination for water sports enthusiasts. Camping and road trips. The vastness of Australia makes it perfect for camping and road trips. The Great Ocean Road offers stunning coastal views, while the Stuart Highway takes you through the heart of the outback. Camping in national parks or by the beach is a popular pastime, allowing visitors to fully immerse themselves in Australia's natural beauty. Point 5. Seasonal change. Australia's beauty is highlighted by its varied climates and seasons. Spring blooms. In spring, places like Western Australia burst into colour with wildflower displays, while gardens in cities like Canberra and Melbourne come alive with blossoms. Summer beaches. Summer in Australia means beach culture at its finest. Coastal towns swell with visitors, and the vibe is relaxed and festive. Weather Whether it's a surf lesson in Byron Bay or a barbecue on the beach in Perth, summer is when Australia's love of the outdoors shines brightest. Autumn leaves. In autumn, the landscapes in regions like the Blue Mountains and Victoria's High Country turn golden and red, providing a stunning contrast to the usual greens and blues of the Australian environment. Winter wonders. Even in winter, Australia's beauty doesn't diminish. Snowfall in the Australian Alps attracts skiers and snowboarders, while the Northern Territory enjoys dry, cooler weather, making it perfect for exploring places like Kakadu and Litchfield National Park. Point 6. A cultural melting pot. Australia's beauty is also reflected in its people and culture. Multicultural society. Australia is one of the most multicultural countries in the world, with a population that includes people from all over the globe. This diversity is celebrated in festivals, food, and everyday life, creating a vibrant, inclusive culture. Festivals and events. Events like the Sydney Festival, Melbourne International Film Festival, and Byron Bay Blues Fest highlight the country's cultural diversity and artistic talent. These events draw people from all walks of life and showcase Australia's creative energy. Culinary delights. Australian cuisine is a reflection of its multicultural society. From fine dining in Sydney's harbourside restaurants to the fusion food markets of Melbourne, Australia's food scene is both diverse and innovative. Indigenous ingredients like bush tomatoes, lemon myrtle, and kangaroo meat are increasingly featured in modern Australian cuisine, offering a unique taste of the land. Point 7. Environmental conservation. Australia's beauty is preserved through its commitment to conservation and sustainable practices. Protected areas. Over 600 national parks and numerous marine reserves protect Australia's natural beauty. Parks like Great Otway National Park and Kakadu National Park offer visitors a chance to experience pristine environments while also protecting these areas for future generations. Sustainable tourism. Australia has made significant efforts in promoting sustainable tourism, ensuring that its natural and cultural heritage is preserved. Eco-friendly lodges, wildlife sanctuaries, and community-led tourism initiatives are all part of Australia's commitment to maintaining its beauty. The beauty of Australia is found in its diverse landscapes, unique wildlife, rich cultural heritage, and the vibrant, inclusive spirit of its people. From the vast outback to the cosmopolitan cities, from the ancient rainforests to the sun-kissed beaches, Australia is a land of contrasts and wonders that captivates the heart and soul of all who visit.